Hello guys! Today I want to share with you this tutorial I made some years ago, and I want to show you how to make a little paper dress. Those paper dresses we can use as decoration to our journals, to a fantastic tea party, when we can use like a placeholder, we can use as a gift, and also to paper dolls. So you can make by yourself your little dress. This is Paper Couture by Marcelo. I made some examples with this technique, and in this case I want to show you I made a little hanger with a wire hanger. You don't have to be a fashion designer to make it. You can find some inspirations in fashion magazines. You can give a look on fashion sketches we can find online, or you can be inspired by a dress you saw at a party, a wedding, a prom, I don't know. But for the paper doll model, don't worry. You can use a real model photo, or you can use a paper doll I created that is available at my Facebook page by Marcelo. So, at first, we have to create the model, our beautiful girl. To the dress, we have to create a base for the bodice. This is really easy to make it. We have to follow the shape of your model, of her body, like this. You can see I created this bodice using the shape of the model. Now we can add some more. I choose a pleated skirt for this dress. I'm using recycled paper, and for a rustic effect we can tear the paper. Here you don't need measure, you only tear the paper and start to pleat. Like this. I love this effect. Look, I'm making the pleats. This is just a suggestion, you can make it like you want. Now I'm pressing some pleats to glue to the bodice, like this. I'm using white glue, regular white glue, and I can fix it. I'm happy with a stick, like this. Now I'm going to make put some roses here, some little flowers, paper flowers. How I do? I tear some paper stripes, like this. You can use magazines, newspapers, any kind of paper you want. And with a stick, we do those paper rolls. In this case, I guess we have to cut in half to be prettier. Like this. We can glue it here. We can use the stick to help us to glue those little flowers. Here's some other models I made. Amazing effect, isn't it? Here I'm using some pleats effects. Here I always using the white glue. You can use also crepe paper, any paper you have at home. Have you seen how many models I created? Looks like a fashion show, paper fashion show dress. Now I'm gluing some leaves, paper leaves. To fix the dress to the paper doll, I'm going to use this wire covered, paper covered. This wire is used for gardening. It's really useful. I use this all the time. Well, now, this is the dress. You can use your imagination, your creativity, or you can remake some models. Let's put another detail. We have the dress and we can make a hat now for this girl. I cut a free shape form with a little incision for the hair, for the head of the girl, like this. Now I'm going to put some flowers there, and it's really easy. So now with the white glue, some flowers and some details with a marker. You can use material you have at home. Well, the dress and the hat are ready. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm really happy to share with you this technique. Also because I love fashion. I hope you like it. If you want to see more of my work, you can visit my Facebook page by Marcelo or my Instagram account by Marcelo Carboni. It will be a pleasure to have you there. See you in the next project, in the next video, and bye bye!